Welcome to AI Chef, where the future of cooking meets the creativity of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into spaghetti bolognese. Sit back, relax, and watch as our AI-powered culinary assistant guides you through the process. Let's get cooking. Let's start with the foundation of our bolognese. 1 pound of lean ground beef. Opt for a high-quality brand, preferably grass-fed, for the best flavor. To add depth and richness, we'll use 1 pound of lean ground pork. A sweet onion like Vidalia is ideal. Finely chop 1 large onion for a silky texture. For a touch of sweetness and crunch, add 2 finely chopped carrots. 2 stalks of finely chopped celery will provide a fresh, herbaceous flavor. 2 cloves of minced garlic are essential for a flavorful bolognese. Fresh garlic is preferred. 1 can of 28-ounce of crushed tomatoes. Choose a high-quality brand for the best taste. 1 can of 15-ounce of tomato sauce. A good quality tomato sauce will enhance the overall flavor. 1 cup of beef broth. For the best flavor, consider making your own or using a high-quality store-bought brand. 1 or 2 cup of dry red wine like Chianti to add complexity and depth of flavor. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, a classic Italian herb that pairs perfectly with bolognese. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for an additional layer of flavor. 1 or 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. Adjust to your desired level of spice. Salt to taste for seasoning. Pepper to taste for seasoning. 1 pound of spaghetti. Choose a good quality brand for the best texture. Grated Parmesan cheese for serving. A high quality Parmesan cheese will elevate the flavor of the dish. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for cooking and adding flavor. Let's kick off this culinary adventure. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and brown the ground beef and pork as if they were seasoned actors on a culinary stage, ready to steal the show. Add the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic and fry them until softened, adding a touch of flair to your stir-frying. Add the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, beef broth, red wine, oregano, thyme, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Let the flavors mingle and create a symphony of taste. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for 30-45 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti al dente, so it's firm to the bite, not mushy. Toss the cooked spaghetti with the flavorful bolognese sauce and serve immediately, topped with grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece. For a vegetarian option, substitute the ground beef and pork with plant-based protein like lentils or soy crumbles. Adjust cooking times and liquid as needed. A vegetarian bolognese is just as delicious as the traditional version. For a richer flavor, consider adding a splash of heavy cream or a dollop of butter to the sauce. Just a little bit can make a big difference. To add more spice, increase the amount of red pepper flakes or add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Adjust the spice level to your preference. Serve with garlic bread or a side salad. A simple side salad can complement the rich flavors of the bolognese, or you can enjoy it with a classic garlic bread. Spaghetti bolognese, a classic Italian dish, originated in the city of Bologna. Its rich meat-based ragu has been enjoyed for centuries. While recipes vary, the core ingredients and cooking techniques remain consistent. Bolognese is a true testament to the enduring appeal of Italian cuisine. Spaghetti bolognese offers a balanced meal with approximately 400-500 calories per serving. It's a good source of protein from the meat and vegetables and provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, the high-fat content should be considered when incorporating it into a balanced diet. Here's a breakdown of its nutritional components. Calories. approximately 400 to 500 calories. Protein, around 25 or 30 grams. Carbohydrates, approximately 50, 60 grams. Fat, approximately 20-25 grams. So, while it's a delicious and satisfying meal, it's best enjoyed in moderation. And there you have it, a delicious spaghetti bolognese, prepared with the help of AI Chef. Remember, with AI by your side, anyone can become a culinary master. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more AI-powered cooking inspiration.